In this video, we're going to be looking at data structures. The first data structure I'm going to go through is the list. Here we have a program that a teacher made to keep track of each student in her that she teaches grade. So as you can see, she made a variable for each student. So grade student 1, 15, grade student 2, 80, grade student 3, 98, and so on. So she's made a variable for every student. But what if she has 200 students? That would mean 200 variables. This is where lists are very useful. So instead of having 200 variables, we can put it all on one line in one list. So here we have created a list, student grades, and inside the list is all the student grades. So we can keep them all in one list. So instead of keeping track of all those variables, we have put it on one line and made our program more efficient. Here I'm going to create a list that will represent student grades. I give my list a suitable name, and as you can see, I input the values inside brackets that are separated by commas. So here I'm putting in integers that will represent the grades. To print the list, we can use our print function. So we pass the name of the list as a parameter. As you can see here, my list, and then the name of the list. And when I run this, it will print the list to the console, as you can see. A list can contain a mixture of data types. So in one list, it can contain an integer, a string, and a float, all in one list. Again, I will use the print function to print my list to the console. We can also print our list one element at a time using a for loop. Here we are creating a list of weekdays, and we will print each element. So we use a keyword for. Day will represent the element in our list. We use a keyword in and the name of the list. And we use a print function. What happens here is the for loop will loop over the list, printing each element one at a time.